I'm Michael Essoff, Chief Analyst at Omnia's Cloud and Data Center Practice. PDC's ALM solutions are designed for manufacturing businesses that aspire to gain a competitive edge. The company's solutions ensure full requirements traceability with a market-distinguished Codebeamer, arming customers with an open structure from standards-based integrations that connect complex tool chains for full requirements traceability. Omnia's research suggests the demand for improved variant management through product line engineering and model-based systems engineering has increased. PDC's PLE and MBSE offerings make their ALM portfolio perfectly positioned to handle and scale software development efforts and meet these market demands, offering manufacturers a significant advantage in the market.